Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today tutorial will see how to print odd number in the list. That means if we create a list, then if any numbers are odd, even or odd, that means odd numbers, we remove this and get the output. That means here we explain with example. Here we write Python program to print odd number in the list. Then we have right here created another list, that is list of the numbers. Here we write list of numbers, and here we write created list 1, list 1 equals to in bracket 10, 20, 30, 21, 10, here we see what is even number and odd number. Any number is divisible by 2, then this number output get 0, means remainder get 0, then this number is even number, means divisible by 2 any number, this get even number, and any number is not divisible by 2, this is the odd number. Here we write what we write the condition first. Here we write condition, that is here checking the condition, condition is that condition if number number divisible by 2, then modulus. Here we write where is get found that n equals to 0, and this is the condition for the checking the even or odd number. And after that we have write the output, that means print. This is the in the for loop. If conditions, we have write one tab, and here print. Here we write print number comma end equals to double quoted text. Then we have save this and run this. This is the expected colon. We have forget this here colon. This is the output mistakes. Then we have save this and run this. This is the 21, 45 and 93 is get a odd number. If any doubt, write in comment box. Bye and see you again.